Some checkers apps let you compete for cash prizes, while others only offer points, gift cards, or rewards. So the app's payout model matters more than the checkers game itself. By the end, you'll know 5 checkers and board game platforms to check, and what to verify before you play for money. Number 5 is Skillz. Skillz is a competitive gaming platform that supports cash prize tournaments in eligible locations, and the games available through the platform can change. If you find a checkers-style title on Skillz, open the tournament details before entering and check the entry fee, prize structure, and withdrawal rules. Number 4 is World Winner. World Winner offers skill-based competitions with cash prizes, and its catalog includes multiple casual and classic game formats. Availability depends on your location and the specific game. Check the current game list and eligibility requirements before depositing or entering a paid competition. Number 3 is GamePigeon. GamePigeon includes checkers among its multiplayer games, but it does not function as a built-in real money payout platform. That means you can use it to play checkers with another person, but you should not treat the app itself as a cash reward service. Number 2 is NG Cash Pooling. This type of competitive gaming platform can combine familiar board game mechanics with cash competitions, but availability, entry requirements, and withdrawal options can vary by location. Always check the current terms before paying an entry fee. Number 1 is engplays.org. It offers browser-based casual games, including classic board and puzzle categories, but it is not a guaranteed cash payout checkers platform. It belongs on this list as a free play option, rather than a direct way to withdraw checkers winnings. That distinction matters because there are really 2 categories here. Some platforms let eligible players compete for cash prizes, while others simply let you play checkers without monetary rewards. Before you install or deposit money into any app, check 3 things: whether checkers is currently available, whether cash competitions are legal and supported where you live, and exactly how withdrawals work. Also check whether the game uses an entry fee. A cash prize tournament is not the same thing as guaranteed earnings, and losing an entry fee means you can lose money. So the 5 names to investigate are Skillz, World Winner, GamePigeon, Cashpool, and Plays.org. Focus on the current rules rather than an old payout claim because game catalogs and eligibility can change. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money game comparisons.